Welcome back to this course, and here is the content of our learning module so far. And in the previous video, we talked about the quizzing using or the assessment using Google Forms. So in this quick video, I'll just show you how to add a quiz if you're using Moodle or a similar learning management system. So I'll just first turn on editing. So this is a feature that you need to be familiarized with when using Moodle. You need to learn how to turn on and turn off editing. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit anything on the course. So we'll just add an activity or resource, and that resource would be a quiz. So you could read through the additional information. Again, if you're a subscriber to our premium course package, you could do this and play around with the platform. So we'll just add a quiz. So something that you have to remember as well when creating a quiz. So when creating a quiz, you need to have some questions to be added within that quiz. So the quiz also becomes a container of several quiz questions, which also the questions are also created using another module. And thankfully, in the newer versions of Moodle, that can already be done within the same quizzing module. So I'll show that in a while. So in the meantime, I'll just name this quiz as Introduction to Accounting Quiz. So this is quiz number 1. So you could add additional information. So you have here some options as to the grade, the layout, even the timing when your students will be able to see and take the quiz. What type of layout? Is it one question for every page, or all question for in one page? So you also have review options, appearance, overall feedback, etc. So you could just go through all of these options, and there are question marks here, question mark buttons, which could give you an idea of what those options are for. So I'm done with this quiz with the basics, so I'll just leave all other options as default. And it says there that no questions have been added. Again, so this is just a blank container. So it does not contain any questions. So in order to add some questions, I'll just edit the quiz and add a new question. So let's say a multiple choice question. Let's add a question. And I'll just look for my question before. So I think this is the quiz. Oh, this is the assignment. Anyways, so I'm not able to find the questions now. Anyways, I'll just create a question for this item. So question name, so this would be intro question name 001. So it's good to know what's the title of the question. So for each question that you're creating, you need to be able to identify where that question is specifically identified, because later on it will be added in a question bank. So you could recycle those questions in a quiz. So let's just say, who is known as the father of accounting? Okay, so you have the question text, and default mark would be 1 point. General feedback, if you would want to give feedback after the item. So I know that the father of accounting is Luca Pacioli. Okay. So this is the correct answer. So I'll give 100% rating for this question or for this answer if selected. and we could just invent, well, Aristotle, or who else? Jose Rizal. Obviously, it's the wrong answer. So there would be no points assigned to those items. And I'll just save the changes. So this is only one question. So I'm just building the quiz on the fly. So let's just try this one. Okay, so that would be, so this is now the quiz. It contains one question. So you could add additional questions along the way. And again, this is not a comprehensive guide to Moodle quizzing tool. There are a lot of other videos that could actually help you when you're already using this tool. But I just would want to introduce and show you how to create a quiz using the LMS. Okay, so I just want to see or preview the course. So you have there the quiz, I should say. So who is known as the father of accounting? It would be Luca Pacioli. So it automatically shuffled the answers. And let's just finish the attempt. So submit all and finish. So this is how your students will submit their quiz later on. So your answer is correct, Luca Pacioli. So let's just complete the review. Alright, so if I return to the learning module, so you now have a complete set of a learning module for this subject or for this course, Fundamentals of Accountancy, Business, and Management. I hope you enjoyed this video, and basically this is the last substantial demo for this course. I'll see you in the next video.